Hey guys, okay, so I just wanted to make another video for people that might be familiar with using Font Awesome and might be wanting to integrate Font Awesome icons into your applications here using Ionic Creator. So we're not going to go deep down into what Font Awesome is and stuff like that. I just said it's for people that are already familiar with Font Awesome. So if you are familiar with Font Awesome, then yeah, this section is for you. Or if you might be keen in using Font Awesome, then you can go ahead and read up on Font Awesome here, fontawesome.io. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go to kind of get started. And then we're going to want to use this Font Awesome CDN. All right, so I'm already, so you put in your email address here and then you get the embed code. So what we're going to want to do is that we're going to want to get the CDN. I already have my CDN code available. So what you then need to do is you need to do the following. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to duplicate one of these pages here so that we can rather, I don't like that color. We can rather, well, you're probably saying you don't like the color, but then you designed it. Well, yeah, from these three options, I kind of like this one the most. Let's just say that. Okay, guys, enough talking. All right, so the thing is, what we're gonna want to do, so let's just duplicate this page here, and you know what, while I'm here, let me just change this page to slider so that we know what this page it does. So let's just say welcome slider so that we know what's happening here. Okay, cool. So so within our welcome slider, we've got the video slide, we've got and then this duplicate that we just created now. So I'm gonna call this Font Awesome, so that we just know that we're working on this one. So on this Font Awesome one, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna want to just change this icon here with the Font Awesome icon. So rather than this graphic, this picture, we're gonna wanna use Font Awesome icon. So I'm gonna first of all just delete this current icon here or image, and this feature is only available for pro users anyway. So what you're gonna want to do is that you're gonna want to grab your CDN you have gotten from Font Awesome, the script, and I'm just gonna copy mine. And here you're gonna need to click on code, and then click on code settings, and put in the script URL. So I'm gonna just Command V. It needs to only be the URL, so I'm gonna delete all of that and just leave the URL only. So it looks like that. Press enter, and there's my script source. There we go, looking good. I'm gonna say close, and now I can start using Font Awesome icons. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and then look for Font Awesome icons. So I'm gonna click on icons, and I'm gonna search, maybe just say video. Right, video, and there's one here, and as you can see, I can use it like this. Now there's something that I just want to show you quickly. Let me just copy this link from my other screen. If I would use it like this, just Command V there, Command V. All right, so this is just like from w3schools.com, but just also talking about Font Awesome. So if I was, let's say, to want to use this guy here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this, copy this code, which will be for this red become, let's say Command copy, go back to Ionic Creator and paste in HTML code. So I'm gonna take an HTML component here, click and drag it onto our page, and I'm gonna paste that code in between these p tags here. Command V, and you won't see anything here, you only see it when you preview. So I'm gonna click preview. Okay, I don't think it's saved. Am I previewing the right page? Let me just see. Font Awesome. Okay, busy saving there, so let's just wait. All changes saved. Okay. Yes, we are on this page. Let's preview. Now, why is it showing me this page? Not video. One font awesome. Come on, work. Let's see what's happening here. Maybe there's something that I'm not seeing. Okay. So font awesome, HTML. There is no image, so I don't know what's pulling the image. And you know what, guys? Yeah. Obviously, it added the slider on there, right? So, silly me. There it is. My apologies, guys. My apologies. I sincerely apologize for wasting about a minute of your time wondering what was happening. Okay. So, there is our slide with the font awesome icon. So obviously what we want to do is that we want to just make that icon not red. So let's maybe say white, just for the sake of the demo, right? Cool. White, and then maybe make it bigger. So maybe let's make it 120 pixels. And let's see. Okay, so kind of looks cool, but obviously it's on the left hand side. So what we want to do is that we want to move it to the center. So we just need to just write some CSS to put in our app here so that it makes this p tag center. So I'm just gonna drag some CSS code for that to just align it in the center. Remember, it acts like a font. So we're gonna go to theming and CSS, and I'm gonna write in there, just make a note and say this is for font awesome icons. Okay, and then Command V to paste, and then that should align it center. Say save and click on close, and it should be centered when we see now. Cool. So guys, there you go. I just wanted to just quickly show you how you can integrate and use font awesome icons into your app. And maybe just one little quick thing I just want to show you, just so that you can know how to extend it further. In the actual code, I'm just gonna write kind of a CSS thing here for just to make it spin, just for fun. And when we run it, the car should spin. There we go. So guys, I mean, like I'm saying, it's just your creativity also will play a big role into what you guys are looking to develop in your applications. I just wanted to just show you how you can integrate font awesome icons into your Ionic Creator apps. Hey guys, my bad. Okay, so I just kind of ended up doing this example here, but what I wanted to show you was how to use font awesome icons, right? So this particular one, so let's say we wanted to use, let me just go here quickly. So let's say we wanted to use that video instead of this car, for example, right? So in font awesome, you know that you kind of then need to use this as the kind of icon that you'll be using. So if let's say I'll go to icons and then I'll click on, let's say cog there, this one here, I'll then just use FA-cog. So if you look here, in the HTML here it says FA car, I'll just change that to cog spelled like that, and run it, or preview rather, and you'll see that. Okay, cool. Cheers guys.